Okay, so anseo tá an na focail a bhaineann le ó fada, right? So ó fada. Okay, ó fada. So bhí an ó sound on seachtain Shikacha. So we're doing ó. Okay, so this is ó. Okay. So for example, anseo tá phone. Okay, tá phone. Okay, phone. Níl sé fan. Because remember Dern last week? So Dern. It's not Dorn, it's Dern. This isn't fun, it's phone. Okay? Dern, phone. Okay? Phone. So polka, phone polka. Okay? Mobile phone. Kota. Okay? Pogue is a kiss. Okay? Pogue, so she's kissing the dog. So pogue. Togue. Okay? So togue is to take, right? So togue. Brogue. Okay, so brogue is a shoe, right? Brown. Okay, brown is sad. Sorry, broga. Broga is shoes, right? So you've one shoe, we have two shoes, right? So brogue is shoe, broga is shoes. Brown is sad. Cofra, it's wardrobe. Close, so being to ag immert amach sa close, so you're playing in the yard, so the close is out in the yard, right? And then sport, remember we had sport, so din a sport tool, so sport, right? Okay, you should know how to say that now, right? All of these, very easy. So we had O last week and O fada this week, right? So I have to do on Roy Kena, so Canig Liam, nua sa shop a phone. Vi Liam, ni rev ein phone ag ober. Canig Laura, nua sa shop a edig, right? Shop a edig. Canig Laura, nua sa shop a brogue. Canig Liam agus Laura, Cuig Liam agus Laura, goodie on something. Okay. Agus an Rodernach V air shoes sa close, right? Close. Because there's sa in front of it, it gets a shevu or a H. So because there's sa in front of it, it becomes close. Alright? Okay. Agus an literal lay. So Lanach Fihishe, so 26. We have Gana Kurmi T. So the normal happenings of the house. So normal things we do inside the house every day, the ordinary things. So Ibrahim ig dushdal. So on Bukasha, ig dushdal. So he's dusting, right? Ig bakal. So ig bakal, you're baking. Ig buint. So on college on a water. So on water, ig buint outside. Ig buint on fair. So she is, what's she doing? She's cutting the lawn, isn't she? Unfair, right? So unfair is grass, right? The grass. And it be corma because it's a little bit special, it's a little special. So when you say egg buint on fair, it's FE for the IR. If it's just on its own, it's FE for the AR. So it changes when you use something in front of it. So if I'm saying, oh, there is grass there, it'll be oh tá unfair an. But if I'm saying, oh, vi she ag buint unfair, it'll be FE for the IR, right? So if there's a doing action, then it changes, alright? Okay. Ag glana, so ag glana rish, so ag glana, cleaning. Ag paint all, okay, so ag paint all, painting. Ag knee is washing, alright? So washing, so we wash our hands. Ag knee the love. Okay. Nagreha are the dishes, alright? So nagreha are the dishes. So do you know all the dishes and stuff we use for dinner? So she's igni nagreha, right? She's washing the dishes, right? So all I have to do is fill in the correct words, finish off the words there. And then when you come up here, we have to create na focal, agus din match all. So we have to finish off the words here. So the first one is egg, something, 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 NA, something, something, something. So what is it? So what could it be? egg, bather. So it could be anything. I think it is. Okay, I'm not going to tell you because yeah, you should get that actually. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so should be easy, and then all you have to do is match up, right, the correct ones, alright? So for example, this one 5, so egg, and then there's 2 letters, so you should get that very easy, and then match it up to the correct one. Okay, and then ever C, so taring picture in the cópláir agus scríb Albert faoi. Okay, so draw a picture in your copy. Okay, and then you have to write one sentence about it, alright? Okay, so you have to write a sentence about it. So draw in your copy, maybe Beidir. We can use some of our words as well. So we could say Bhí níamh ag ní na grétha ach bhris sí pláta. So she broke a plate. Okay? Maybe she dropped it and broke it, alright? What else could we say? Dún Sean on Duras nor bhí sé ag dustáil. Okay, when he was dusting the place down, right? He closed the door when he was dusting it down. Right? Call the tá a dhéanamh. So what are they doing? Tá Jack, egg. What's he doing? Tá Mammy, egg. Tá Lucy, egg. Okay? So you have to, all you have to do is finish off the sentence. So put in what you think it is, right? The pictures are all there. So Kirkleg agus scríb. So what they want you to do here is circle the word inside here. So they're hidden in amongst these letters. They want you to circle it and then write it underneath. Right? So the first one is S-A-G-B, A for the C, A for the I-L. So it's obviously egg bacall. So you write in egg bacall in that spot for A, right? And then you do the exact same for here, 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 here. Find the missing word or the hidden word inside in that row of letters, right? Very easy. Okay?